I feel like I've lost a can somewhere along the way. Well, it'd be better if I lost the can, you know, at least then I'm not going to drink it. Because I'm going to run out of money faster. In fact, let's just fucking give every time I fucking buy some cans, let's just drop them out of my bag and we'll just have them with it, you know. And then I'll be like, where's my fucking beer gone? You know, and then that won't be as much of an alcoholic. That'll be alright, won't it? Yeah. If you donate to my YouTube channel, I'll do that every so often. Just go ask these police officers why they're idling. Hello, why are you wasting taxpayers' money by idling? So, there you are. Your engine's on. Your engine's on, bro. That's idling. Well, move on, please. Come on. Come on, bro. Don't do this. This is taxpayers' money you're wasting. You're a disgrace. What's your colour number? Identify yourself, sir. Identify yourself. Where's your colour? Where's your colour number? Where is your colour number? YJ21JXE. Where's your colour number? Oh, look at your thin blue line badge. You ain't part of a gang by any chance?
Oh, mate.
Where's your colour number? Why don't you not have a colour number? Why do you not have a colour number? Well, can you identify yourself, please? Can you identify yourself, please? 562, thank you very much. Bye bye. I hope you don't get sued. Does anyone want to sue that guy for idling? Wasting taxpayers' money? I've only been here 5 minutes. 5 minutes of engine running. 5 minutes of engine running. $5.60. Audit done. Audit done. You know, the thing is, anybody can make a complaint about that guy. Anybody on my YouTube channel can make a complaint about that guy. I'd love it if you all just started making complaints about these people that I fucking pulled. That'd be nice. You know, it'd save me a job. I mean, I don't want to fucking sue nobody, that's my problem. But also, I'm sick of fucking them getting all fucking money and I don't get jack shit. I've got to fucking walk around without having a shower every for fucking God knows how long, 2 weeks. For 15 days. 15 days. This is the 15th day now. Oh, I think it's 16th. Oh, it's a DAF truck. Let's go with this DAF truck. Oh, well, look at the DAF truck. Fine. He's got like a fucking, he's got all the lights. He's got all the fucking lights. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Wow, that's beauty, that, isn't it? That's a beauty, that. I love it. I love it. That was the best. That was the best. That was the best one. That was the best one yet, that one.